Typically, a wood-fired oven is used for cooking pizzas, bread, and roasts. But today, we're going to make a dessert in our pizza oven. We're going to start with some apples, decore them, and put a mixture of walnuts, sultanas, honey, and cinnamon inside. Cook them, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Let's start by getting our fire going. Using an apple decorer will certainly make your life a lot easier. Now there's no set ratio when mixing these ingredients together, just do whatever feels right. Our wood oven is now up to temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. It's time to pop our apples into the oven. Our baked apples are done. Took next to no time at all. They're smelling delicious. Can't wait to give it a go. So sweet and soft, it's delicious. Wow, I am blown away by these flavours. I need to get some more of this. Thank you so much for watching. For the full recipe, check out the link in the description below. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.